Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to science lecture. We are learning ninth lesson, motion and types of motion. We learnt about the types: linear motion, uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion and all in the previous two lectures. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the speed. See, page number 68 of science textbook. A bus covers the distance of about 200 kilometers from Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. Listen carefully. A bus covers a distance of about 200 kilometers. How many kilometers? 200. From Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. Solapur to Pune, 5 hours. The bus covered the distance of 200 kilometers in 5 hours. How much distance does the bus cover in 1 hour? For example, you have purchased 5 mangoes for 100 rupees. How much the cost of 1 mango? How will you calculate that? 100 divided by 5. 1 mango costs 20 rupees. Same method we are going to follow here also. So, same formula we are going to follow. What we are going to do here is speed is equal to C. What is the formula to calculate speed here? Speed is equal to distance traversed divided by time required for traversing the distance. Here distance traversed 200 kilometers, isn't it? Right? Distance traversed 200 kilometers in 5 hours, isn't it? 200 divided by 5. 200 divided by 5. What will be the answer here? 40, right? 40 kilometer in 1 hour. Distance traversed 200 kilometers in 5 hours. In 1 hour, how much distance does the bus cover in 1 hour? That is 200 divided by 5 is equal to 40 kilometer. Unit of speed. We will mention the unit in kilometer here in 1 hour. 40 kilometers. While solving this example, we take the ratio of the distance traversed and the time required to traverse the distance. From this ratio, we come to know the distance traversed by the bus in 1 unit of time. See here, you have to by heart this formula. Speed is equal to distance traversed divided by time required for traversing the distance. You have to remember. A moving object may not have only one type of motion. Another example I am going to give you here. A car traversed 100 kilometers in 5 hours. And how much distance does the car cover in 1 hour? What you have to do? Speed is equal to 100 kilometers upon 5 hours. What is the answer? 20 kilometer per hour. Understood? Like that you have to calculate the speed. What we have learnt in this lesson? Objects in motion are those that change their position continuously. The various types of motion are linear, uniform linear, non-uniform linear, oscillatory, circular, periodic, and random motion. The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called its speed. The time required to reverse a certain distance depends on the speed of the object. Understood? These are all the points we have learnt in this lesson. You have to remember what you have to do in orange color boxes. In page number 65, page number 66, page number 67 and 68. Definitions are given in the orange color boxes. You have to by heart all the definition, and you have to by heart the formula of speed also here. Okay. Now we are going to write the question answers notes, that is notes in our workbook. Fill in the blanks. First one, if a ball is released from a terrace of a building, it comes down in non-uniform linear motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in non-linear motion. Underlined words are the answers of the fill-up. So directly you can write, you can copy down the answers in the workbook. Okay. The second one, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear. The motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear. क्या करता है एरोप्लेन रनवे में? पहले सीधा लाइन में जाता है, देन इट टेक ऑफ. बराबर. थर्ड वन, द काइट लुकिंग फॉर इट्स प्रे flies with circular motion in the sky. The kite means name of a bird, looking for its prey, for its food, flies with circular motion. आपने देखा होगा स्काई में क्या करता है, ईगल जैसा बर्ड्स प्रे नीचे उनका खाना देखने के लिए, ढूंढने के लिए सर्कुलर मोशन में ऐसा ही घूमते रहता है ऊपर. इज इट? The kite looking for its prey flies with circular motion in the sky. Fourth one, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have uniform circular motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have non-uniform. Giant wheel, how it rotates? In uniform circular motion. And merry-go-round jump in between. ऐसा बीच बीच में जंप करते जाता है, दैट इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन. मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन, दैट इज अ पीरियाडिक मोशन, सर्कुलर एंड पीरियाडिक मोशन. व्हाई द अर्थ takes 365 days to complete one round, right? Movement of the earth around the sun. The earth completes one round around the sun in 365 days. That is periodic motion. Understood? Circular in the particular path, in the specific path it rotates. So it is called circular and periodic motion. Second one, movement of a ceiling fan, oscillatory and circular. A meteor falling from the sky, linear motion. A rocket launched from the ground, it goes in straight line, that is linear motion. A fish swimming in water. Random motion, उसको एक प्रॉपर, इट विल नॉट गो इन लाइन, इट विल नॉट स्विम इन लाइन, कैसा भी जाता है, लाइक द बटरफ्लाई. सो इट इज़ अ रैंडम मोशन. सिक्स्थ वन, द प्लक स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अ सितार, ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. We will meet in the next lecture with remaining question answers. when you sit for the lecture tomorrow, you take your workbook with you and we are going to write other question answers in the workbook tomorrow. Understood? Today what you have to do, your homework is you have to write this fill up and the next question also you have to write in the notebook and send me, mail me as homework. Okay? So we will meet in the next lecture with remaining questions and answers tomorrow. Till then, bye.